Myself, Dr. Dafedar, Principal, NK Orchid College of Engineering and Technology, Solapur, Maharashtra. I welcome all the participants for this presentation on online engineering education model during COVID-19. The world is facing an unprecedented situation of the pandemic. Whether it is industry, business houses, education sector, everything has come to standstill. But it is said that engineers never stop. We at NK Orchid College of Engineering and Technology, Solapur, have developed a complete engineering education model in which not only online lectures we are conducted, but successfully we are conducting the practicals, project activities, internship, training and placement activities, our parent connect, institute social responsibility activities, and the extracurricular activities also. In short, whatever we were conducting in the offline mode, everything we are able to bring it online except the sports activity. In this presentation, for the benefit of all the participants, I am going to brief you how we have conducted all these activities online during this COVID-19. As far as online teaching learning is concerned, many of the institutes are using Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, Google Classroom, etc. In addition to online teaching learning through these platforms, we are extensively using NPTEL video lectures that have been prepared by many IIT and NIT faculty members. In addition to the national NPTEL platform, we are using international platforms of Coursera and Udemy also. Thanks to AICTE have developed NEET platform, which is National Educational Alliance for Technology. That also we are extensively using it for skill development of our students. Engineering cannot be merely learnt in the classroom through offline or online lectures. To learn the concepts, we need to do practicals. Through MHRD, IITs and some of the NITs have come together and they have developed very wonderful virtual lab platforms. We are extensively using virtual lab platforms for conducting most of the practicals of various subjects of engineering. I find this virtual platform very useful in the sense that the biggest advantage of virtual platform is if you change any parameter, you can immediately see the results. In physical experimentation, if you want to change some parameter, maybe you have to repeat the entire experiment. But in virtual platform, changing of a small parameter and studying the effect of it and drawing the inferences out of it is quite easy. So we are finding in this situation, this virtual platform very useful for conducting practicals also. Dear friends, the success of any activity depends on the feedback. We are having a very strong feedback mechanism in our offline mode. The entire feedback mechanism of our teaching learning process, we have brought it online. We have conducted feedback of our online teaching learning, and I have got the feedback of all my teachers for all the subjects they are teaching. We have shared this feedback with the faculty members and they have taken a lot of corrective measures based on the feedback that we have received from the students. In engineering, for experiential learning, we find project is one of the best tools to learn engineering by doing. We have completed all our projects in the last academic year, and in this academic year, we have successfully started our project activity also. This is the glimpse of some of the project presentations that we conducted in our last academic year for the passing out batch. Some of our project, we have sent it to the national level competition that is conducted by Dassault Systems Law Foundation. And one of our project of two-seater solar car, it was one of the top 3 projects that were selected in that competition. In addition to teaching learning, practicals, projects, we are assessing the students. For the continuous assessment, test 1 and mid-sem examination, many of the institutes are using and conducting objective type of examinations. Actually, in this situation, in addition to objective type of examination, Open book examination is also one of the best tools to assess the knowledge level of the students. In our country, actually, we just rely on the examination tool in which we teach the students for one semester and conduct the examination at the end of the semester, where we test the mugging up capacity of the students. Skill development of the student should also be assessed through our assessment tool. In this pandemic, we are not only assessing the students for their knowledge level, but for their skill level also through presentations, then asking the students to master some softwares and demonstrate it through presentations. Dear friends, in addition to projects, internship is one of the best activity to learn many of the tools that are used in the industry. In this pandemic, in the month of May and June, all our students have undergone one or the other internship activity. I'm happy to share with you, even our first year students, we have asked them to do internship that is conducted by TCS ION through their Career Edge Knock Down the Lockdown activity, in which all the students of first year have undergone communication skill internship. For second year civil engineering student, our civil engineering department conducted internship on various softwares like StatPro, Revit, AutoCAD, etc. Mechanical engineering department conducted 1 week FDP for the faculty and internship for the student on product design engineering. Similarly, many of the industries like Tata Steel have come forward and they had launched many online courses which we had asked the students to complete. For soft branches like computer science and engineering, it's quite easy for them to conduct internship programs. Our CSE department conducted internships on Python, C programming by using various platforms. So also we had asked the students to go through Coursera platform also for these internship activities. Our ENTC and electrical department have conducted internship on Arduino, PCB design, mobile application development, etc. in this lockdown period. Dear friends, I'm happy to share with you, in spite of the lockdown, we are able to place 400 students from our passing out batch. And moreover, the batch of 2021, recently our 81 students are shortlisted in TCS NQT for the interviews. The secret of our success in training and placement is the pre-placement workshop we conduct for the students entering into final year. In this lockdown, we conducted our all pre-placement workshop in which we conduct aptitude training and test, online interviews, group discussions, programming skills. We have conducted all these in the online mode, and the result of that you are seeing 81 students are shortlisted in TCS NQT. This is the glimpse of one of our faculty conducting interview from the institute, and student is appearing for the interview online through his home. The connect with our parents is very strong in our institute. To every teacher we give 25 students, and that teacher is the local guardian of that particular group of students, and that teacher connect with the parent also for planning the career growth of the students. In this pandemic, all our proctor teachers contacted the parents through various online platforms, and it was really a pleasure for the parents to discuss with the teachers during this lockdown and how this free time can be utilized effectively by the students. Dear friends, like every industry have got corporate social responsibility, we believe institutes have got institute social responsibility activities. In this pandemic, we conducted online sessions not only for our students but for diploma students. Similarly, for the high school and junior college teachers, we have conducted many sessions how they can teach online for their students, how they can use virtual lab platforms for conducting practicals of 8th to 12th standards. And whatever internship we conducted for our students, we accommodated the students of polytechnics also for the internship program that we conducted. Coming to the extracurricular activities which are of interest to the students, I'm happy to share with you, we have conducted online e-gathering, Online send-offs are conducted by junior students for the passing out batch students. Our institute magazine used to get first or second prize at university level for last 4-5 years. This year we have published our magazine in PDF form online, and that is shared by all the students and industry and the society. And our online e-magazine is available on our institute website. All the student associations have been formed, and those student associations are conducting programs in the online mode. This is the glimpse of our online e-gathering that we conducted. This is the cover page of our e-magazine that we published. This is the glimpse of the online expert session arranged by civil engineering student associations for the benefit of the students. So dear friends, I mean to say, engineers never stop. Whatever you are able to do in the offline mode, it is possible for you to conduct in the online mode also. And this is the complete online engineering model that is developed by NK Orchid College of Engineering and Technology, Solapur, Maharashtra. I thank the organizers of India Construction Week 2020 for giving me opportunity to share our experiences of complete online engineering education model for the benefit of all the viewers and all the participants.